Okay, so here's how you factorize quadratics. First, you get your constant term, which is 6 in this case. Then you write down its factors, and you're going to look for two factors that will add up to make the term in front of the x, so minus 5. So the factors of 6 are 6, 1, 2 times 3. Now, remember, we can also do minus 6 times minus 1 as two negative numbers multiplied by each other are going to make a positive. And we can also do minus 2 and minus 3 then. So now we look for two numbers that are going to multiply to make 6, which is all these four pairs, but will add to make minus 5. So this is obvious. These two cannot be right, as you have minus 5, and if you add those, you're not going to get it. Minus 6 add minus 1 is minus 7. So this is not right. So you must choose minus 2 and minus 3. And that also works, as minus 2 minus minus 3 is minus 5. Then you write x, and then put that number, then another bracket, x, and then your second number. And that is equal to 0. We have two things multiplied by each other. To get it equal to 0, one of them must be equal to 0. So first we set our first bracket equal to 0. This, if we add 2 to both sides, we're going to get x is equal to 2. And our second bracket, we set that also equal to 0. Add in 3 to both sides, we get x is equal to 3. And those are our solutions for this. Here's another example. Again, we get our constant term. Write down its factors. So 4 times 1, 2 times 2. And we look for two numbers that add to make 4. So we're not going to write down the negatives as we want positive 4. We can see that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So our factors are going to be x plus 2 and x plus 2 again is all equal to 0. We can simplify this and write x plus 2 squared is equal to 0, as we have the same thing multiplied by each other. And again, all we do is set what's in the bracket equal to 0. Subtract 2 from both sides. We're going to get x is equal to minus 2 as our only solution to this. That's all there is to this, so I hope you learned from this video, and goodbye.